Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Roots box for June. So excited. I love this box, but also I've been working on a project where I bind all of my Herbal Book of Shadow artwork, and it just looks so nice, and I'm so excited to see which one I get to add this month. Let's check it out. Divine Feminine. Got a beautiful sigil. Rose quartz, nice. I also have them separated also with the crystals, so I'm so excited to put this in there. Meadowsweet, nice, nice, nice. I'm so excited. Meadowsweet. Passion. It smells good. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, pretty. It's a goddess. Love it. Love it. Just getting all my ducks in a row. This is a pretty little rose quartz, which makes sense because I got the Rose Quartz Book of Shadow artwork. We've got an oil with a spewit, a dropper, Inner Goddess, Ritual Body Oil. Smells like roses. All right. We've got a pretty little purple candle. All right, let's read about this. In a world of severe judgment and dwindling perceptions, it can be difficult to align with energies that seem to be non-existent in the public domain. It is so important that we continue to walk down our magical path so that we do not fail to catch the beauty that surrounds us at all times. We find such comfort and clarity in our practices, allowing us to connect with those energies that bring wisdom, understanding, and purpose into our daily structure and rituals. We embrace such energies, specifically the Divine Feminine, to draw down strength, perception, power, and peace. In this very special collection, we work with specific tools to assist us in connecting with the Divine Feminine. Meadowsweet, Bridewort, Gravel Root, Meadow Queen, or Steeplebush. Meadowsweet was commonly known for sweetening of mead or an herbal brew, wine, or beer. Along with wintermint and vervain, meadowsweet was held as one of the most sacred herbs to the Druids, commonly used to bring peace in the home. It's a wonderful companion to work with during times of unrest, anxiety, and discomfort. We have included this specific herb into this collection to provide you with the opportunity to find tranquility within your magical workings. And then the Book of Shadows artwork, which I collect, and so I'm so excited to have. And the Goddess Altar Talisman. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then, oh, it's a woman, it's a goddess, but I thought that was like a shawl, but it's the moon. I'm crazy. Passion Ritual Incense Sticks. Queen of Peace Mini Spell Candle. Promoting energies of peace and tranquility. Inner Goddess Body Ritual Oil with dropper. Confidence and clarity. It has Lang Lang, rose, and sandalwood. In addition, we have included meadowsweet and rose herbs, and a Lemurian quartz, along with feminine magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. A rose quartz heart. Stone of love, healing, and passion. The Rose Quartz Book of Shadow artwork I absolutely love. So excited. Much excite. The Great Goddess Sigil. I keep all of these. Love it. We have curated this box with the intention of enhancing the magic that flows through your life. Aww. I love it. I love all the items. I especially love the artwork, as you guys know. I love I love the smell of this incense. I collect the herbs, so I'm definitely down with that. You can never have too much rose quartz, and I've definitely been feeling a lot of stress and anxiety, so it always strikes me at how very in tune these boxes have always been with where I am in my life. And so for that, I'm always grateful. I love this box. I just adore it. So the link is in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys, and I hope to chat with you soon.